yeah! Bang! This is why we do this. Guys, we got in B-Case Basic today. It's always a surprise as to exactly how we're going to get it, but we got it. It's hot off the truck. Basic. Hot Wheels 2020. Let's check this thing out. Hope you guys have been having fun with us. We've got a couple of giveaways going on right now that I'm probably going to draw for next week. Maybe we'll do a Halloween drawing. But we've got some Team Transport. We got some Car Culture. So you better check out our giveaways right now, guys. Okay, real quick top-down view. You can see the divider here has been packed a little weird how it's hanging over right here from the box. But here's the top-down view. Oh man, we get excited when new Basic comes in or when new Hot Wheels comes in, as you know. Sometimes it get a little loud, but if you can't have fun with your hobby, you know, what are you doing? Let's go 3x3. Pull these things out. The first three cars of Basic B. Okay, so as I have been doing, the ones that I know have been in the previous cases, I won't go over them too much, but the other ones I will. So this looks new to me right here. Here's the Hyper Rocker. Look at that. That's a new one. It's pretty sweet. Got the red and blue fender flares. It has a pixel shaker, which we've had before. Then, this is pretty cool right here. This is the 95 Mazda RX-7 in a new color. Got the number 7 on it. Bright orange Mazda. What does it say on the side there? Mazda Speed on the side of the door. Next three cars in the case. Oh yeah. Check out that 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. That's awesome. We'll come back to that in a second. We've had the Formula Solar before. We've had the Chill Mill before. Check out this 944 Turbo. That's sharp. You know, I've always got a thing for Porsches and Beamers and Audis and European stuff. I know everybody's got their own thing, but that car is sick. The next three in the case, we've got the Copo Camaro SS, which we've had. We've got the Honda Monkey Z50, which we've had. We've got the Gotta Go. We've got the toilet seat on it, which we've had before in previous cases. The next three are the Tooligan, the Batmobile, and the Warp Speeder. Guys, I can't remember if we've had the Warp Speeder before, but I know we've had the other two. Okay. We've had the Night Shifter before. And of course we've had the Carbonator. Several times actually, since we started our channel. But it looks like they've recolored the Greenwood Vet. Check that out, guys. You know, this was in the silhouettes. And I want to say that June Amai did this one. But it's the 76 Greenwood Vet. The metallic paint kind of makes it look like a Super, but it's just got the normal wheels on it. That car has always been a good one. The next three cars in the case. We've got another one of the Mazda oranges. We've got something called a high-tech missile. Can't remember if we've had that one or not. We've had the Aeropod before. It's got the big old skull on it. Oh, yeah. Okay, we've had the Skyline before. There's another Warp Speeder. Check out this Porsche. That is cool. It's kind of a purpley blue. Porsche 917 LH. They did a Golf one of these, I don't know, 6 months ago? That's pretty badass. Whoops. Very cool. I would drive that to work, guys. Then we've got the Honda City Turbo, which we've had. We've got the Power Rocket, which we've had. Then we got another one of the Porsche 917 LHs. This is cool. We've had the Pixel before. I don't know if we've had the Gruppo times 24 before. But check out this Ford GT with the Golf. The Golf really never gets old, does it, guys? Ford GT40. There's a good view of that car. I heard that that's the Supra of the case, but I don't know if it is or not for sure. But that's the rumor right now. Then we've got a wheelie chair, which we've had before. This one looks like a new color of the cool one. Check that out. Got the cool one. Ice cream bars and treats fan. And then we have a Sword Warthog. New color. Kind of red. Got some decals on it. Only a few more here in the top row, guys. We've got the Hot Wheels Reserve armored truck. That's pretty cool. We've got the wheelie chair. Then we've got the roller toaster. The roller toaster came out a few years ago, but that looks like a new color to me. The last three in the top row are all ones we've had before. 2005 Ford Mustang. The Diaper Dragger. And then the Indy 500 Oval. Okay, that was the top of the box. Here's a look into the bottom of the box. I see some good stuff down in there too. Okay. There's the smoking hot Subaru STI. The Porsche Panamera Turbo Turismo, which we've had. And the Indy 500 Oval. Pedal de Metal. Looks brand new. Land Rover Series 3 pickup. It's got the Baja Blazers on the side. Then another carbonator. Had the Diaper Dragger before. We've had Octane. The Rocket League car. I think we got that last case. This is a new one. Check this out. It says RV There Yet. That's pretty cool. RV There Yet. Got like a little bug driving a camper. Got another night shifter. Got another Porsche and another Honda City. Had all those before. We've got a Chill Mill, a Road Bandit, and a Chevelle, which, as you know, we've had before. Got another Rocket League car. We got the Copo Camaro SS and the Slide Kick. Got another one of the Land Rovers. I can't remember, guys, if we've had this particular color in the Land Rover or not. We've had that chrome Batmobile before. Here's a new one. The Heavy Hitcher. Got dark blue with a flame on the front. It says Experimotors Garage. And we've got the Custom 71 El Camino. That, to me, is an all-new color. We've got the Gotta Go and the Tooligan again. We got the Road Bandit and Snoopy before. Then we've got something here called it's got the Hot Wheels Legends Tour on the top of it. It's called the 2Jet Z. I haven't seen that one before. 2Jet Z. Kind of an interesting silver little hyper buggy. Almost done with the case, guys. We've got the Skyline. We've got the Hollinator. Don't know if we've had that color in the Hollinator before. It's a green. We've got the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR, which I think is a new color. Right there. Okay, here's the last 6 of the case. We've got the Subaru Impreza STI. We've got another Greenwood Vet. We've got a purple Dune It Up. The last 3 are the Ford Mustang, the 69 Chevelle. I remember this one before. Oh, I see the Treasure Hunt logo. Oh yeah, Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 Treasure Hunt. It's got the SWAT team on the side. Got like a shiny blue tires on the back, like the details on the back are a shiny blue. That's pretty cool. It's definitely one of the better treasure hunts they've done in the last couple years. Got the police on the front. Super cool. Thank you again for joining us. Be sure to check out our giveaways. I'm going to do a top down of the new ones that I noticed. Here's the top down view, guys. The Mazda recolor is good. The Porsche 944 Turbo was super. The new Treasure Hunt's cool. The Greenwood Vet is cool. The 917LH is great. Ford GT40. Thank you again, guys. Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck.